Most people will work for 40 years, earn millions of dollars over their entire lifetime, and retire with almost nothing. Today, we're breaking down exactly why and what to do about it starting today. Welcome to 5-Minute Brain. Big ideas made simple, 3 habits, 3 fixes, 5 minutes. Let's go. You got a raise. Amazing. New phone, nicer apartment, a few more subscriptions, better restaurants. You earned it, right? This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's the reason people earning $80,000 a year feel just as broke as when they earned $30,000. Here's the brutal math. Your income goes up $500. Your expenses go up $500. Back to zero every single time. It doesn't matter how much you earn. If your lifestyle always expands to match it, you will never build wealth. The fix is almost insultingly simple. Every time your income goes up, move the raise to savings first, before your lifestyle can touch it. Automate it. Remove the temptation entirely. Your future self will not recognize the person who did this in the best way. Second habit. Think about your month. Rent, paid. Netflix, paid. Food, transport, subscriptions, all paid. And then, whatever's left at the end of the month, that's what you save. Brutal truth. There is never anything left. The wealthy don't save what's left. They save first. Spend what's left. The moment money hits your account, a percentage moves automatically to savings, before rent, before Netflix, before anything. Even $50 a month, consistently for 20 years, becomes something real. The magic word, automatic. Remove the decision, set it and forget it. Third habit, and this one is the sneakiest. When's the last time you actually looked at your bank account? Not a quick glance. Really looked. Most people avoid their finances because it feels like bad news. Checking causes anxiety, so you just don't. But what you avoid controls you. Debt doesn't disappear because you ignore it. Bad habits don't stop because you don't look. The most powerful financial move you can make right now. Open your bank app. Write down what's coming in. Write down what's going out. Awareness alone changes behavior every single time. Here's what connects all 3 habits. It's not about how much you earn, it's your relationship with money. You can earn $30,000 or $300,000 and still fall into every single one of these traps. The people who build real wealth don't earn more. They plug the leaks. Lock this in. Number 1. Stop letting your lifestyle eat your raises. Number 2. Pay yourself first, automatically. Every month. Number 3. Face your finances. Look at the numbers every week. You don't need a higher salary to stop being broke. You need to stop the leaks. That's 5-Minute Brain. One idea, 5 minutes. Smarter every week. If this made you think, subscribe. Next week, something even more interesting. See you then.